I'm a startup founder. I'm 33 years old. I'm a stay at home mom. I'm building my business at the comfort of my home, and I have a team of virtual assistants. That's why showing up online is not about content, it's about growth. Because when I grow, my business grows, right? And when my business grows, my team grows too. That's the most fulfilling part. Finding that opportunity that changed my life and now using that opportunity to create impact for others. I get to help clients, I get to lead a team, I get to help other stay at home moms earn from home. Honestly, that makes every uncomfortable video worth it. If you're a founder too, you're scared to show up, same, we're the same. But let's keep going because sometimes your decision to show up comes someone else's opportunity to grow. See you at the top.